Hello and welcome in Deep Learning Adventures with PyTorch by Pact. My name is Kuba Konchik and I've been programming since 1995. And since around 2006 I started to do it more complex Python systems. And my first serious encounter with machine learning was a few years ago when I was asked to build a model to predict real estate prices. And I failed miserably at the time, and I decided to do all the research that I can to understand what this machine learning is all about. And then I've decided that why not share it with beginners? Why not simplify it? So this course is all about that. So let's look at the course overview. We'll start with a quick introduction to PyTorch, and here I want you to know why PyTorch is different than any other neural network library. And we'll also install PyTorch really quickly so we can get started with our other projects. In section 2, we'll start to look at the very popular and heavily used neural network called convolutional neural network, and he'll be using this network to build a beaver detector. This is a general problem when you have to classify images according to a specific class. So in this section, you'll learn how to use a pre-trained network to build stuff really quickly, and also when you have a little bit more time, how you can train your own convolutional neural network. Then in section 3, we'll start to look at different kind of problems. We'll start to detect languages with recurrent neural networks. I'm pretty sure that you'll really enjoy this section, and we will do that on 2 languages we want to distinguish between English and also Spanish. Then in section 4, we'll start to use a very specific types of neural networks called gated recurrent units, a special type of recurrent neural networks that I often use for language translation. And again, we'll use those 2 networks to translate between English and Spanish. And we'll end up with section 5 with a very interesting problem, which is a style transfer. This is when you try to transfer a field of one image to the other, and we'll be using a custom convolutional neural network to do that. What are some prerequisites for this course? The first one is that you have to have some basic Python programming experience. Throughout the course, I do my best to simplify the code as much as I can, but you have to have the basics. And also when it comes to machine learning knowledge, this is also a big plus to have some basic understanding of what machine learning is all about. There's nothing more to add, so I'm really pumped up that you are here, and let's get started.